All right. This next one. First of all, before I get into it, do you know anything about this particular dish? Luosifen? The controversial, smelly Chinese soup noodle dish that went from obscurity to durian-level fame.
Oh,
The noodle dish divides opinion sharply with some families. So it's a noodle dish, which in it you have a certain type of bamboo, which is fermented, and it's a very strong odor. And now, some people who are eating this thing say it's a game changer.
Really?
Some people who are eating this thing are saying it's the most addictive.
Oh.
Some people who are eating this thing say it tastes marvelous. The more of it you have, the more deeply you will love it. This is a quote from Weibo. Let's see. What else I got? Third commenter wrote, I often tell my friends who dare not try this food, how do you know it tastes bad if you don't have a try? I didn't eat it before, but after I ate it, I found a new world's door has opened to me. It's really yummy, trust me. Or, how about I treat you?
Man, the translation there.
Oh, I got better ones. Hold on. First of all, a little background. Okay, so it partners rice noodles, stock soup, stewed for hours with river snails and pork or beef bones and sour pickled bamboo shoots. It can also include peanuts, fried bean curd sheets, daylily, black fungus, dried turnip, and sometimes green vegetables. Strong odor is from the bamboo shoots, which have been fermented using a secret recipe. When I eat this at home, everybody in my family will keep a distance from me. They told me to hold my bowl and go outside. They said they don't dare to touch my bowl and pot that I use to cook the noodles and want to throw them away because of the pungent smell.
Wow.
Oh, here's a good one. A Chinese student in Italy was fined 40 euros for cooking luosifen at home after his neighbor called the police suspecting there was a bioweapon in the Oh.
Wow.
It smells like a bioweapon, but yet it opens new doors of flavor. Let me ask something. You give it a shot? Would you give it a one-time shot?
Yeah.
You give it a one-time. You give it a
Would
one-time. Well, yeah, I give anything a one-time. Most things I give a one-time.
Sure, yeah.
Many things I give a one-time. Maybe not everything. They're pre-packing it now, by the way. I don't know. Maybe we can find it at TNT. They're pre-packing it.
Okay.
Last year, the revenue from pre-packed luosifen, I'm going to have to figure out how to say that, luosifen, made by factories in that region reached $1.7 billion. So I don't know if they're exporting it or not. Maybe we can get our hands on it. If so, this place I wonder what the dogs are going to think of it.
Yeah.
With that smell.
That's a real test.
Yeah, with that smell going on. But anyway, there you go. I found something, I don't know. I don't know if anybody knows about it. I don't know if anybody's heard of this stuff. I'm sure someone's eating. Someone's going to say in the comments, yeah, I have that every day. It's the best stuff.
Oh, so it's like instant noodles now.
Yeah, pre-pack. You can find it.
Cool.
So I don't know. We're going to have to keep an eye out. Maybe we have a little live taste test, see how we make out.
Yeah.